Changing the interior cabin air filter on a 2018 Honda Accord begins by opening the passenger side door and locating the glove box. Pull the latch on the glove box to open and slowly lower it. The glove box is secured by two plastic tabs at the top on both sides. These tabs can be released by pressing the sides of the glove box inwards on both sides and then lowering the glove box further to reveal the air filter cover here. Pay attention to the airflow arrows on the cover which point downwards, as this will need to match the airflow direction arrow on the replacement air filter. Locate and depress the two release tabs on both sides of the air filter cover, then pull the cover towards you to remove it. Carefully remove the old air filter, making sure to avoid knocking debris out that may be sitting on top of the filter. Peer into the recess that held the air filter and make sure there is no debris within. If there is, you can use some compressed air to blow it out. The air filter is rectangular in shape, so there is only one direction that it should be inserted. In this case, the old filter was installed improperly with the printed text facing outward, and someone forced the cover into place, which caused these creases. You can see here the filters are different sizes depending on how they are oriented. When you install the new filter, make sure the longest edge faces you and the narrowest faces the rails the filter is inserted into and rests on. We'll replace the old filter with a non-OEM Fram Fresh Breeze filter. Make sure the filter is installed with the airflow arrow facing downwards as indicated here. Insert the new filter as previously described to install it. Take note of the guides on the outside of the filter compartment, the middle point where the cover latches, and the slot at the top where the top of the cover has a point that rests on the slot. Here's a look at the right side of the filter compartment, the guides, the latch point, and the slot where the cover rests. This is a close-up of the cover being pressed between the exterior guides and over the latch point to secure it. Here's a wider view of how to press the cover into place following the install of the new filter. Finally, press the sides of the glove box inwards and lift the glove box, pressing it into place until it is secured. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider sending a few dollars my way to support my channel through the links below.